Hey EverythingCardz, welcome. So this is a tutorial that you requested. So this trick is actually original. So yeah, so let's start. So the setup is just 4 H's on top. And the setup can be anything, but I prefer clubs, hearts, spades, diamonds. Alright, so once you've got that up, just say like, we're going to need 4 cards. I think you watched the performance, so yeah, you should know the pattern. So once you showed it, what you're going to do is, as you're going to turn it back over, in jog face of diamonds, like so. Don't worry if there's like another card. Alright, it's okay. Because what we're going to do when we in jog it, so put your thumb on that card and just bring it up. So now you have a break on the top 3 aces. Okay, so let's do that one more time. 4 cards, in jog in, and pick break, like that. You've got a picky break. Now you're gonna take that those 3 aces, which is actually 3 cards, as one, and put them down. Now be aware that this card here is the ace. So the next step, which is when you take 3 cards and you say it's random, you're gonna put it the one that's not an ace. So don't go this way, go this way. So what you're gonna do here is you wanna go like a very fluid motion, because when you reach the ace, you're gonna do 4 cards and put it there. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna go 4 cards, 3 cards I mean, put it in, and as if like you're taking another card, but you know, just follow what I do. 3 cards, show it, break it, and just put that there. So basically that was just 3 cards, 3 cards. That was pretty logic. Now when it comes to this packet, take another 3 cards, but as you're showing it, take a break on this top card. So put it in, and take all those 4 cards, just like so, square it up, and just put it on top. Now do the same for the last packet. Wait, let me just scroll it. The last packet we can, the last packet to be different. Show the 3 cards, and instead of taking a break here, okay, we're just going to take the top card and pretend it's 4. So you want to kind of like cover over it, okay, like so. Alright, so now we've done that. The next step, put the deck away, square everything up, and start with this packet. And you can do whatever pattern you like, and show that the ace is gone. You can watch my performance for how I do it, and you can do the same. Oh, but one thing that you have to do, make sure that you wave and then you do some sort of reveal. Why is this? You'll see later. And do the same for the second, wave, and then show the reveal. Alright. Now, for the third packet, what we'll do, because we have an ace there, as you're showing it, take a break on the last card. And as you just wave, which is why you always do it, just drop it down there. You can do some misdirection, like, so now the aces have gone in these packets, and then just see if you just drop it there. That's one way, but you don't have to do that. Then you can show that this has gone, the ace. Then for the last packet, turn it over, and right now the setup's like this. Alright, so what you're gonna do, you're gonna take the bottom card, put it down, and then put the rest down. So this is a double, and just drop it down. Now if you want to end clean, take the double, put it on top of the other cards, and then you can show that you can end clean. And that's it.